Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to remove threads found by Windows Defender. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So for that, you have to just simply open up your phone, Windows or laptop settings. So after opening up your Windows or laptop settings, it will show you such kind of interface or any kind of a main menu. So you have to just simply find the option which is privacy and security or Windows and security. So basically we want to open up the security section, so we have to just simply select the second last because it has security option. So after that you have to just simply go to the Windows security, which is the first option. So after opening up the Windows security, now what you have to do is you have to just simply select open Windows security, the first option. So after that it will open up such kind of menu. So I have already protected my device, but for your side you want to remove the threads which is found by Windows. So that's why here it will show you cross mark. So you have to just simply click on virus and thread protection, and after that you have to just simply click on quick scan if you want to remove the threads by just scanning. So you have to just simply click on quick scan, and your it will quick scan all of your windows and it will remove all the threads. So if you in so in order to check the threads in your Windows, so you have to just simply click on this protection history. So here it will show you the threads like this. So you have to do is you have to simply click on this serve option and click on yes. So after that you have to simply click on actions and click on allow or click on remove. So I have already removed that threads I blocked. You guys will be able to see it has written as thread blocked. So I have already blocked. So you have to simply click on it and click on it and click on block. I have already blocked it. You guys can also block your all threads found by Windows Defender, and make sure that you have to just simply make sure all the settings do like this. So you have to just simply click on manage settings, and after that you have to just simply make sure that all the options are toggled on. So the real time protection must be toggled on, and the cloud delivered protection must be toggled on, and all these must be toggled on. So for that your computer will remain protected, and your computer will be always protected from all the threats. And you guys can after thread you guys can also click on quick scan to scan your threads, or you guys can select the scan options, and here you will be able to see some of the options. If the thread is still not vanished by just clicking on quick scan, you guys can use the full scan, or you guys can check the custom scan of the specific location in which you want to check the security, or you guys can just simply click on Microsoft Defender offline scan. So you guys can do lots of scan here according to your needs, and in this way you guys can protect your system from the threads found by Windows Defender. So I hope this methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.